The chief male deity of Indus Valley civilization was Indra, Brahma, Vishnu, Pasupati Mahadev.
ପଶୁପତି ମହାଦେବ
ପଶୁପତି ମହାଦେବ।
Correct. Which is the only Indus site where the remains of a horse have been found? Barnavali,
ସୁକା
Mohenjo-daro,
ସୁକା
Surkotada,
ସୁକ୍ତା ଜେଣ୍ଡର ସୁକ୍ତା ଜେଣ୍ଡର
Lothal.
ସୁକ୍ତା ଜେଣ୍ଡର
Gender ନା ତାଡ଼ା ଦିଟା ଅଛି।
ହଁ ହଁ ଯୋଉ ସୁକ୍ତଟା ଯୋଉଟା
ସୁର୍କୋଟାଡା ଆଉ ସେଟା
ହଁ
ସୁତ୍କା
ସୁକ୍ତଟା
ଜେଣ୍ଡର। ହଁ
ହଁ ହଁ
ଦିଟା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା। So Surkotada is the only place where the remains of a horse have been found. The city of Harappa was located on the bank of which river? Indus.
ରବି
ରବି
Correct.
ରବି ରିଭର।
Correct. Next, which is considered as the oldest deciphered script in Indian subcontinent? Brahmi,
ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍
Harappan,
ଭ୍ୟାଲି ସିଭିଲାଇଜେସନ
Khoroshthi, Mehergarh.
ହରପ୍ପା ହରପ୍ପା
Brahmi script. The oldest
ବ୍ରାହ୍ମୀ ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଟ।
deciphered script is Brahmi.
ହରପ୍ପା
Next, Indian subcontinent ରେ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ହେଲା next. The Aryans were migrated to India from Central Asia region. Who propounded this theory? बालगंगाधर
ମାକ୍ସ
तिलक,
ମୁଲର
M. Wheeler, Max Muller, R.C. Dutt.
ମାକ୍ସ ମୁଲର
Correct, correct. Max Muller. Central Asia କହିଲା ତ Max Muller. Arctic region କହିଥିଲେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ବାଲଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ତିଲକ.
ବାଲଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ତିଲକ
Which is considered as the oldest Brahmana text and the largest Brahmana text in Vedic literature. Aitreya, Gopatha, Satapatha, Sankhya.
ଗୋପାଠ
Satapatha
ସତପଟ
is considered as the oldest and largest. କୋଉ ବେଦରେ କୋଉ ବେଦର ସେଟା ସାତପଥ
ୟଜୁର
ଯଜୁର୍ବେଦ ଛାନ୍ଦୋଗ୍ୟ କୋଉ ବେଦ ସାମବେଦ କରେକ୍ଟ ତୈତ୍ରେୟ
ଏତ୍ରେୟ ହଉଛି ଋଗ୍ବେଦ
ଐତ୍ରେୟ ନାହିଁ ତୈତ୍ରେୟ ଯଜୁର୍ବେଦ ଐତ୍ରେୟ
ଯଜୁର୍ବେଦ ଐତ୍ରେୟ ଋଗ୍ବେଦ
ଋଗ୍ବେଦ ଗୋପଥ
ଅଥର୍ବ
ଅଥର୍ବ ଆଉ ସାତପଥ
ଶତପଥ ହଉଛି ଯଜୁର୍ବେଦ
ଯଜୁର୍ବେଦ ଗାୟତ୍ରୀ ମନ୍ତ୍ର was dedicated to who of the following? ମିତ୍ରା ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ବିଷ୍ଣୁ
ସାବିତ୍ରୀ।
ସାବିତ୍ରୀ
correct. Which Indian king was known as Ugrasena? ଅଜାତଶତ୍ରୁ ଶିଶୁନାଗ ମହାପଦ୍ମନନ୍ଦ ଉଦୟନ
ମହାପଦ୍ମାନନ୍ଦ
correct. ମହାପଦ୍ମନନ୍ଦ. The Macedonian ruler Alexander passed away at the age of 33 years in which BC? 325 BC, 323 BC, 326 BC, 330 BC.
325 ବେଶୀ
326 ରେ ତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଲା
25 ରେ
ବ୍ୟାଟଲ ଅଫ ହାଇଦାସ୍ପିସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା 326 BC ରେ 323 BC ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ବେବିଲୋନରେ. Who was the first teacher of Gautam Buddha after he left home for the search of enlightenment? ଉଦ୍ରକ ରାମପୁତ୍ର, ଅଲାର କଲମ, ଉରୁଭେଲା ନିରଞ୍ଜନ. Correct. ଅଲାର କଲମ.
ଆଲ୍ଲାର କଲମ
Gautam Buddha left home at the age of 29 and this was known as Mahavinisakramana. Milinda Pano is related to who of the following? Menander, Mihir Bhoja, Nagarjuna.
ମାନେ
Menander. Menander, correct. Milinda Pano is a Buddhist text written in Pali language. Who is known as first Tirthankara in Jaina tradition? Mahavira, Rishabha, Parshvanath.
ପ୍ରସବନାଥ
Rishabhanath, correct. Rishabhanath. According to Jainism, how many types of knowledges are there? 3, 5, 7, 8.
3
5 knowledge. ମତିଜ୍ଞାନ,
knowledge
ସୂତଜ୍ଞାନ, ଅବଧିଜ୍ଞାନ, The Treaty of Pondicherry was signed in which year? 1754, 1755, 1756, 1760.
54.
Treaty of Pondicherry साइन ହେଇଥିଲା end of second Anglo-French war 1754 1754 1749 ରୁ 1754 ଥିଲା second Anglo-French war end ରେ ସାइन ହେଇଥିଲା Treaty of Pondicherry. Who transferred the capital of Bengal from Dhaka to Murshidabad? Muhammad Shah, Murshid Quli Khan, Mir Qasim, Qasim Khan.
मुर्शिद कुली खान.
मुर्शिद कुली खान.
Correct.
मुर्शिद कुली खान.
Correct. Murshid Quli Khan. Next. The first French factory in India was established in which place among the following? Madras, Kolkata, Surat, Jamnagar.
सूरत.
सूरत.
Surat, correct. Correct. 1668 रे by Francois Caron. Under the reign of which Governor General Tipu Sultan was finally defeated? Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Hardinge.
वेल्सेली.
Correct.
वेल्सेली.
Correct. Lord Wellesley. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was born in which year? 1840, 1780, 1799, 1805.
1799.
1780. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the greatest ruler of his time and was the founder of Sikh rule in Punjab. He was born in 1780 and occupied Lahore in 1799 and made it his capital. 1799 रे. Who planned permanent settlement system in India?
लॉर्ड कॉर्नवाल.
कॉर्नवालिस.
कॉर्नवालिस. कॉर्नवालिस.
ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस, जॉन सोर, लॉर्ड कर्जन, कर्जन विली.
कॉर्नवालिस.
आंसर है जॉन सोर. ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ହୁ
ओय
ପ୍ଲାନ୍
प्लान किए कर.
ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କିଏ କରିଥିଲେ? କରେକ୍ଟ. ନେକ୍ସଟ. ବିଜୋଲିଆ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ took place in which of the following places? ବେଙ୍ଗଲ, ବିହାର, ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ, ଓଡ଼ିଶା.
राजस्थान.
करेक्ट. ବିଜୋଲିଆ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ. କୋଉ ରିଜିଅନ କହିବ ହେଲା? ଇଣ୍ଡିଗୋ ରିଭଲ୍ଟ.
बिहार.
बिहार. नीलगिरी.
बेंगल बेंगल. पाबना रिवोल्ट. बेंगल. डेक्कन रियोट्स. महाराष्ट्र. डेक्कन रियोट्स महाराष्ट्र. चंपारण.
बिहार.
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 खेड़ा.
गुजरात.
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 करेक्ट. मोपला. मोपला.
मतलब केरल.
केरला.
केरला. तेभागा.
वेस्ट बंगाल.
बेंगल.
पंजाब.
बेंगल बेंगल.
पंजाब.
बेंगल बेंगल. रामोसी.
वेस्ट बंगाल.
रामोसी मूवमेंट महाराष्ट्र. रामोसी मूवमेंट महाराष्ट्र. तीरथ सिंह is related to which of the following tribal revolts during British rule? कोल, खासी, चुअर, संथाल्स. तीरथ सिंह.
संताल.
संथाल रिवोल्ट थिले सिद्धू एंड कान्हू. तीरथ सिंह is related to खासी अपराइजिंग. बुधु भगत थिले कोल. अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू थिले रामपा रेबेलियन. आउ रामोसी थिले प्रताप सिंह, चित्तूर सिंह, दत्तराय पाटकर. धर्मसभा was founded in Calcutta by who among the following? राममोहन रॉय, राधाकांत देव, देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर.
राधाकांत देव.
करेक्ट.
राधाकांत.
करेक्ट. ब्राह्म समाज ऑफ इंडिया. करेक्ट. केशव चंद्र सेन. करेक्ट. केशव चंद्र सेन. साधारण ब्राह्म समाज. साधारण ब्राह्म समाज
राममोहन राय
साधारण ब्राह्म समाज है आनंद मोहन बोस।
मनमोहन बोस।
देव समाज
अग्निहोत्री।
शिवनारायण अग्निहोत्री। परमहंस मंडली
विवेकानंद
दादोबा पांडुरंग। दादोबा पांडुरंग। नेक्स्ट आत्मीय सभा
देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर।
राममोहन राय।
राममोहन राय।
राममोहन राय।
राममोहन राय
ब्राह्म समाज
राममोहन राय।
राममोहन राय
राममोहन राय। राधा स्वामी सत्संग तुलसीराम। तत्वबोधिनी सभा
देवेंद्रनाथ ठाकुर।
देवेंद्र
देवेंद्रनाथ ठाकुर।
करेक्ट। आर्य समाज
स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती।
स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती। करेक्ट। स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती। Next, which of the following was the immediate cause of revolt of 1857? Nana Sahib was refused pension by British. Awadh was annexed to British Empire under doctrine of lapse. Heavy taxation by British. Introduction of Enfield rifles.
introduction of Enfield rifle
Correct. Enfield rifles. Correct. Next, who authored the book The First Indian War of Independence 1857? Vincent Smith.
बीडी सावरकर। बीडी सावरकर।
Correct. Who is the author of the book Causes of Indian Revolt? Options are R.C. Majumdar, S.B. Chaudhary, Syed Ahmad Khan, S.N. Sen.
आसिम मजुमदार
मजुमदार।
Syed Ahmad Khan. Syed Ahmad Khan. Causes of Indian Revolt. Who is the author of the book The Sepoy Mutiny and the Rebellion of
এটা
1857?
আরসি মজুমদার
Correct. R.C. Majumdar. The Sepoy Mutiny and the Rebellion of 1857. Who is the author of the book 1857? खाली 1857. S.N. Sen. S.N. Sen. Who was the president of Indian National Congress at its first session in 1885? A.O.
डब्ल्यू.सी.
रमेश चंद्र
W.C.
बनर्जी
Banerjee. Eugene Tyabji. Correct.
रमेश चंद्र बनर्जी
W.C. Banerjee. Correct. केतेटा डेलीगेट अटेंड करथिले एथिरे?
72।
Correct.
72 हाँ
72. Who has said the statement regarding Indian National Congress? INC is a begging institute. किए कहिथिले? लॉर्ड कर्जन, बीजी तिलक, A.O. ह्यूम, अरविंद घोष.
ए हिम
अरविंद घोष।
करेक्ट. अरविंद घोष कहिथिले. अरविंद घोष कहिथिले. किए कहिथिले INC represents only a microscopic minorities? Options are Lord Curzon, B.G. Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lord Dufferin.
लॉर्ड ऑफ
Correct. Lord Dufferin कहिथिले. किए कहिथिले द कांग्रेस इज टोटरिंग टू इट्स फॉल एंड वन ऑफ माय ग्रेट एम्बिशंस व्हाइल इन इंडिया इज टू असिस्ट इट टू ए पीसफुल डिमाइज. A.O. ह्यूम, B.G. तिलक, लॉर्ड कर्जन, बिपिन चंद्र पाल.
लॉर्ड कर्जन।
Correct.
लॉर्ड कर्जन।
लॉर्ड कर्जन.
अरे,
करेक्ट.
कर्जन।
लॉर्ड कर्जन. किए कहिथिले INC प्लेइंग विथ बबल्स? आउ जहाँ रहिला ऑप्शन बीजी तिलक, A.O. ह्यूम, बिपिन चंद्र पाल.
विपिन चंद्र
बिपिन चंद्र पाल।
करेक्ट. बिपिन चंद्र पाल. बिपिन चंद्र पाल. तो जहाँ जहाँ कहली स्टेटमेंट गुड़ाक नोट डाउन करदेव. नेक्स्ट, हु सेड स्वराज इज माय बर्थ राइट एंड आई विल हैव इट? बिपिन चंद्र पाल.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक
बाल गंगाधर तिलक।
करेक्ट. हु वाज पॉपुलरली नोन एज लोकमान्य?
बीजी तिलक।
बाल गंगाधर
Correct. Partition of Bengal came into effect on which date in 1916? 1905. Sorry, 1905. November 15, October 16, September 22, August 20.
अक्टोबर 16।
Correct. October 16. Correct. 16 October 1905. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? Among the following: मोहम्मद
शायद
कुतुब,
मोहम्मद खान।
नवाब सलीमुल्लाह, मोहम्मद
नवाब
सलीम,
सलीमुल्लाह।
करेक्ट, नवाब सलीमुल्लाह इन ढाका
सलीमुल्लाह।
1906, ढाका 1906. Indian National Congress was split in which session of INC? Calcutta 1908,
1907
सूरत
1907 सूरत।
1907 सूरत।
correct. Surat 1907, correct. Next. ଆଉ ଅଞ୍ଜନ ଭଲ ଅଛ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ରାଗିଛ କି ମତେ?
ନା ନା ସାର୍ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା. Cheer and deodar are spices of which type of forest? Moist
deciduous।
deciduous, montane,
yes
dry deciduous, tropical evergreen.
dry decisions
ड्राई deciduous सब।
Cheer and deodar are
ट्रॉपिकल
spices of montane forest. Montane, ପାହାଡ଼, ତ ଚିର୍, ଓକ୍, ଚେଷ୍ଟନଟ୍, ଅଲିଭ୍, ଦେଓଦର, ୱାଲନଟ୍ସ ଏସବୁ ଗ୍ରୋ କରେ ମଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରେ. ଇନ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ, ଇନ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ୱିଣ୍ଡ ହର୍ମାଟାନ୍ ବ୍ଲୋଜ୍? ଏସିଆ, ଆଫ୍ରିକା, ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆ, ନର୍ଥ ଆମେରିକା. ହର୍ମାଟାନ୍ କୋଉ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟରେ ବ୍ଲୋ କରେ ଲୋକାଲ ୱିଣ୍ଡ?
ଆଫ୍ରିକା କି?
Africa, correct. It blows from Sahara Desert into Gulf of Guinea. Next, Muscovite, biotite, folgopite are types of which mineral? Muscovite, folgopite and biotite. କିଏ ଶୁଣିଥିଲ?
कपर। कपर।
Options are manganese, aluminium, mica, gypsum.
मिक्का मिक्का
Correct, correct.
मिक्का।
ମିକାର ମିନେରାଲ ହେଲେ ମିକାର ମାନେ ମିନେରାଲ ତ ମିକା, ତ ମସ୍କୋଭାଇଟ୍ ଓର ହେଲେ ଏସବୁ,
ତାର और
ଫୁଲଗୋପାଇଟ୍,
सब।
ବାୟୋଟାଇଟ୍ ଏସବୁ, ତ ଏସବୁର ଓର. ନେକ୍ସଟ, which country is the largest producer of wheat? China, India, Australia, USA.
चाइना।
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 China, correct. China is the largest producer of wheat, followed by India. Next, where is Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleobotany located? Agra, Lucknow, Pilani, Nainital. Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleobotany କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ଅଡିବୁଲ ନା ନାହିଁ?
yes sir
सर
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସବୁ ଚୁପ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛ, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି. ଲଖନଉରେ ଅଛି ବିରବଲ ସାହାନି ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଫ ପେଲିଓବୋଟାନି. What is the approximate percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? 20%?
0.03%।
0.03%।
Correct, correct. 0.03%. Which is the long beach? Which is a long beach in Asia? Options are Taboni, San, Cox's Bazar, Jamuna.
कॉक्स बाजार।
Correct, correct. Bangladeshର Cox's Bazar is a long beach in Asia. Gor Maria belongs to which region among the following? Dance.
वेस्ट बंगाल।
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼
छत्तीसगढ़ छत्तीसगढ़ सॉरी हमारे
Chhattisgarh. Siang, Dihang and Sangpo are popular names of which river? Ganga, Brahmaputra.
ब्रह्मपुत्र।
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 Correct. Brahmaputra. In which state Bandipur National Park is located? Tamil
कर्नाटक।
Nadu.
कर्नाटक। कर्नाटक।
Correct. In which state is Hirakud Dam located?
उड़ीसा।
Odisha.
उड़ीसा।
The Great Barrier Reef is located in which direction of Australia?
ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ନ
Options are south, west,
ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ନ
southwest, northeast.
नॉर्थ ईस्ट।
Correct.
northeast
Northeast, correct. Queensland, Australia ରେ ଅଛି, coast ରେ. Which of the following is measured by anemometer? absolute humidity, speed of wind, direction of wind,
Speed of wind.
gradient.
Speed
Speed
of
of
wind.
wind.
Speed of wind.
Correct. Speed of wind. Which of the following is not a Scandinavian country? Denmark, Norway, Poland, Sweden.
Poland.
Poland. Poland.
Correct. Poland is not a Scandinavian country. डेनमार्क नॉर्वे स्वीडेन हेले आ मझिरे फिनलैंड और आइसलैंड भी इंक्लूड हुए. नेक्स्ट, इन व्हिच स्टेट नारोरा न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट इज लोकेटेड? उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, केरला, महाराष्ट्र.
Uttar Pradesh.
AP.
Uttar Pradesh.
करेक्ट, उत्तर प्रदेश. Oceans contain approximately what percentage of total water on the earth's surface? 70%,
70%. 70%.
97%, 75%.
97.
97%.
करेक्ट. वाटर रो केते परसेंट पचारछि मु तो टोटल वाटर रो 97% एप्रोक्स ओशन रो रे अछि. नेक्स्ट, कोटा ठीक अछि कहबो हला. कीव इज द कैपिटल ऑफ यूक्रेन, ठीक ना भूल?
ठीक है
True.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. True.
इस्तांबुल इज द कैपिटल ऑफ टर्की.
False.
ना अंकर
करेक्ट, अंकारा हबो. नेक्स्ट, द कैपिटल ऑफ रशिया इज मॉस्को, लोकेटेड इन यूरोप.
ठीक अछि
करेक्ट.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Correct. Where do the two head streams of Ganga, Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet? Allahabad, Devprayag, Varanasi, Gangotri.
Devrayag.
Correct. Ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere?
Stratosphere. Stratosphere. Stratosphere.
Correct. Which of the following term refers to horizontal sheet of igneous rock formed beneath the surface of Earth? Dike, syncline, seal, laccolith.
Seal.
Correct. Correct.
Seal.
Seal. Seal.
Seal.
Seal is a tabular sheet, horizontal sheet of igneous rock formed beneath the surface of Earth. On being subjected to heat and pressure, clay metamorphoses into what? Gneiss, slate, graphite, quartzite.
Slate.
Slate, correct. Slate. Clay टा metamorphose हुए slate रे. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Gangtok, Agartala, Shillong, Imphal.
Seal.
Shillong.
Long.
Shillong, correct. It is also known as Scotland of the East. Which of the following is also called Sima? Earth's core, Earth's mantle, lower layer of,
Earth's mantle.
lower layer of,
Mantle.
lower layer of Earth's crust, Earth's continental crust.
It have low layer of earth crust.
Correct. Low layer of Earth crust को सीमा भी कुहा जाए. सिलिका और मैग्नीशियम थाए बोली.
Magnesium.
Which is the largest bay in the world? Baracoa, Hudson Bay, Bay of Bengal, James Bay.
Bay of Bengal.
Paracoa.
Bay of Bengal, correct. Bay of
Bay of
Bengal is the largest bay in the world. Which is the most dominant landform in Africa? सबुठु dominant कोटा. Mountains, plateaus, erosional plains, depositional plains. Plateaus, correct. Plateaus. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ plateau continent ମଧ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ. Which of the following term is used to describe the movement of water saturated soil? तार movement को कौन कुहाଯାଏ? Slumping, runoff, solifluction, silt.
Runoff.
Soli-
Runoff.
solifluction कहती. Solifluction is the gradual mass wasting slope process used to describe the movement of water saturated soil. Moraines comprise of what? Moraines. Sheets of ice, water, pieces of rocks, reservoirs of petroleum.
Water.
Rock.
Moraines are accumulation of dirt and rocks that have fallen onto the glacier surface. Which of the following is necessarily formed by glacial activity? Mistral, Jord, Gulf estuary. Fjord, sorry. Fjord, no, fjord. Which is formed by glacial activity.
Estuary.
Estuary.
Fjord. Fjord, fjord. It is a long, narrow inlet with steep sides created by glacial erosion. ଆଲାସ୍କା କୋଷ୍ଟରେ ଯେଉଁଟା ହେଇଛି ଅଛି, ଚିଲିରେ ବି, ଆଇସଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳେ, ନରୱେରେ ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳେ। The point in the orbit of a planet nearest to its point of orbit is called what? Apogee, perigee, perihelion, aphelion.
Perigee.
Aphelion.
Nearest କହିଛି perihelion.
Perihelion.
Next, hanging pillars is found in which of the following temples? Srirangam temple, Brihadiswar temple, Veerabhadra temple, Kailasnath temple.
Brihadeshwar.
Veerabhadra temple.
Correct. Veerabhadra temple, Lepaksya, Andhra Pradesh. Next, Gugga dance is associated with which state among the following? Gugga. Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Chhattisgarh.
हरियाणा
Haryana.
हरियाणा
Correct.
Haryana.
हरियाणा। ये गोटे पुराणा आवाज सुविला मते सडन जानी पारलिनी हो। Which is referred to as bamboo dance? Paika, Lavani, Chera, Yakcham.
Chera.
Chero.
Chera.
Chera. That is correct. Mizoram. Warli folk art is associated with which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Punjab.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Dancing girl belongs to which of the following?
Maharashtra.
Nine, nine. Dancing girl belongs to which Indus Valley site? Sutkajenda,
Mohenjo-daro.
Harappa,
Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro. Correct. Mohenjo-daro. Which is referred to as an epic poem in red sandstone. କାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଜାଗାକୁ? An epic poem in red sandstone. Red Fort, फतेहपुर सिकरी, दीवानी खास, जामा मस्जिद.
Jama Masjid. Diwani Khas.
An epic poem in red sandstone ଏଟାକୁ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ କରିଥିଲେ ଆକବର in 1569. ଫତେହପୁର ସିକ୍ରି. ଫତେହପୁର ସିକ୍ରି. ତାର ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ଗେଟୱେଟା ହେଲା ବୁଲନ୍ଦ ଦରୱାଜା. Next, the construction of Rashtrapati Bhavan was completed in which year? 1929, 39, 49, 59.
29. No, sorry, 39.
1929 correct. 1921 ରେ start ହେଇଥିଲା, 1929 ରେ end ହେଇଥିଲା, designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens.
Edwin Lutyens.
Which of the following temples is referred to as Black Pagoda? Konark Sun Temple, Konak Temple.
Konark Sun Temple.
Correct. Koli is the folk dance of which state? Koli. Odisha, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Next, which of the following story of integration of Indian states was authored by whom? Story of integration of Indian states. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, V.P. Menon, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajgopalachari.
Sardar Patel.
V.P. Menon. Story of integration of Indian states. Indian Musalman was written by whom? Syed Ahmad Khan, Syed Amir Ali, William Hunter, Lord Curzon.
William Hunter.
Correct.
William Hunter.
Indian Musalman. It analyzes the role of Indian Muslims in the revolt of 1857. Which is the first Indian work to receive Man Booker Prize? The White Tiger, The Sellout, The Midnight Children, The God of Small Things.
God of Small
White Tiger.
Correct. By Arundhati Roy in the year 1997. Which is not a work of Mahatma Gandhi? Hind Swaraj, The Conquest of Self, A Bunch of Old Letters, The Law and the
Bunch
Lawyer.
of old letters.
A bunch of old
Bunch of
letters.
old
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct.
Jawaharlal Nehru लिखती है.
Correct. A bunch of old letters written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of the book The Accidental Prime Minister? Sanjay Baru, Natwar Singh, Gulab Nabi Azad, Manmohan Singh.
Natwar Singh.
Sanjay Baru. Sanjay Baru
ନା ସଞ୍ଜୟ
ଲେଖିଥିଲେ ଆଉ it was based on Manmohan Singh. Who co-authored the book? ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Who translated A Horse Walks into a Bar into English? एक्चुअली रे लिखिଥିଲେ याकू डेविड ग्रॉसमैन ताकू ट्रांसलेट करथिले किए इंग्लिश रे डेबोरा स्मिथ डेविड ग्रॉसमैन जेसिका कोहेन फिलिप रॉथ
Jessica को.
Jessica Cohen. A Horse Walks into a Bar was translated into English by Jessica Cohen. Who was the first to receive Man Booker Prize? World ରଖଇଛି. Troubles, the elected member in a free state, something to answer for. Authored by P.H. Newby. P.H. Newby. ଆଉ ବୁକ୍ ର ନାଁ ହେଲା ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଫର୍. Something to answer for. It was the first to receive Man Booker Prize. Which of the following is the work that Rabindranath Tagore was awarded Nobel Prize for? Gora, Gitanjali, The Home.
गीतांजलि.
गीतांजलि.
Correct. Who was the first recipient of Gyanpith Award? Umashankar Joshi, Vishnu
जी
Dev,
शंकर कुरूप.
Mahasweta Devi, Shankar
जी
Kurup.
शंकर कुरुप.
Correct.
शंकर कुरुप. शंकर कुरुप.
Correct.
शंकर कुरूप.
Malayalam writer G. Shankar Kurup was the first recipient of Gyanpith Award in the year 1965 for the book Oda Kujhal. Who was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Fellowship? C. Rajgopalachari, Gopinath Kaviraj, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Sukumar Sen.
गोपीनाथ कबीर.
सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Fellowship. Next. Which ministry presents Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar? Options are Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Labor and Employment, Ministry of Heavy
Labor and
Industries.
employment.
Correct.
Labor and employment.
Correct. Ministry of Labor and Employment presents Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar. Sant Kabir Award is associated with which of the following field? Literature, textile, music, farming.
And music.
Textile, correct. Textile. Sant Kabir Award. Kaya Kalp Awards are presented for what? Public Works Department, Gram Sabha, Public Health Facilities, Educational Institutions.
Public health.
Public Health Facilities. Kaya Kalp Award. Which of the following organization administers Crystal Award? United Nations, World Health Organization, European Union, World Economic Forum. Crystal Award.
WHO.
World Economic Forum. It celebrates achievements of leading artists who have shown exemplary commitments to improve the state of the world. Who was the first recipient of Dr. B.C. Roy Award? Who was the first recipient of Dr. B.C. Roy Award? Bhojraj Seth, Mohammad Salim, Sandeep Mukherjee, Vikram Marwa.
संदीप मुखर्जी.
संदीप मुखर्जी.
Correct, Sandeep Mukherjee. Next. Bharatendu Harishchandra Award is associated with which field? Environment, literature, painting, drama.
Environment.
से जड़े
Drama.
बहुत बड़ राइटर थिले लिटरेचर भारतेंदु
Literature.
हरिश्चंद्र हिंदी रे. नेक्स्ट. कलिंग प्राइज इज अवार्डेड बाय व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? यूनिसेफ,
Science.
यूनेस्को, WHO, वर्ल्ड बैंक.
को
UNESCO.
UNICEF.
Correct.
UNESCO.
Correct.
UNESCO.
It is given
UNESCO.
UNESCO. It is given for the popularization of science.
Science.
Science, science.
ହେଲା ସାଇନ୍ସ ତ ଥାଏ ଅପସନରେ ପପୁଲାରାଇଜେସନ ବି ଥାଏ ତ ସେଇଟା ହବ ଆନ୍ସର ଯେମିତି କି OCS ରେ ପଡିଥିଲା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଏଇ ବର୍ଷ ନେକ୍ସଟ ମନେ ପଡୁଛି ରାଜେଶ
ନା ଦେଇନି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପିଟିଥିଲି ମନେ ପଡୁଛି
ନା ସେଟା ବି ମନେ ନାହିଁ
ହଉ United Nations was established on 24th October which year 1940 43 45 46
45. 1945.
correct 1945 24 October after World War II UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres hails from which country? France, Portugal, Spain, South Africa.
Portugal.
Correct.
Portugal.
Portugal. Which of the following is not a permanent member of UN Security Council? China, France, Japan, Russia.
Japan.
Japan. Correct.
Japan.
Japan. Permanent କହିଛି ତ ଚାଇନା ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସ ରଷିଆ ୟୁକେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁଏସଏ ଆଉ 10ଟା ନନ୍ ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ ମେମ୍ବର ଯୋଉ ଥାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କେତେ ଇୟର ପାଇଁ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ ହୁଅନ୍ତି
2 years
2 year
2 year.
2 year terms by General Assembly. Next 1946 ରେ UN General Assembly ର फर्स्ट मीटिंग ହେଇଥିଲା କେତେଟା कंट्री रिप्रेजेंट କରିଥିଲେ यूनाइटेड नेशंस जनरल असेंबली लंडन रे ହେଇଥିଲା 1946 रे represented by how many countries 45 48 51 56
45.
51.
48.
56.
51
56.
51 countries. First
51.
meeting of UN General Assembly was held in London in the year 1946 and represented by 51 countries. ଆଉ first Secretary General ସେଇଥିରେ ହିଁ appoint ହେଇଥିଲେ ଟ୍ରିଗଭି लाई ନରୱେର United Nations Day is celebrated every year on which date?
24th October. 24th October.
Correct. 24 October. Amnesty International is a non-governmental organization focused on what? Agriculture, environmental protection, human rights, security.
Yeah, security.
Security. London le headquarter.
London ରେ ତ headquarter କିନ୍ତୁ security ନୁହଁ human rights. Human rights. Next. League of Nations was founded as a result of which conference? 1920 ରେ found ହେଇଥିଲା League of Nations as a result of which conference? Nairobi Conference, Paris Peace Conference, Vienna Convention, Berlin Protocol.
Vienna Convention.
First World War end ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଟା Paris Peace Conference.
Paris Peace.
Paris Peace Conference ର result ରେ League of Nations ଯୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ inter governmental organization found ହେଇଥିଲା 1920 ରେ. Next, which of the following was not a founding member of Asian Development Bank? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଏସିଆନ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଫାଉଣ୍ଡିଂ ମେମ୍ବର କିଏ ନଥିଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସ ୟୁଏସଏ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆ
Australia.
Australia.
1966 ରେ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏସିଆନ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଥିଲା ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆ ଥିଲା ୟୁଏସଏ ଥିଲା ଜର୍ମାନୀ ବି ଥିଲା 31ଟା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡିଂ ମେମ୍ବର ଥିଲେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆଉ ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସ ନଥିଲା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡିଂ ମେମ୍ବର ତ ମେମ୍ବର ଥିଲେ 31 ସେତେବେଳେ which country is the biggest shareholder of European Bank for Reconstruction and Development EBRD not IBRD EBRD European Bank for Reconstruction and Development ର largest shareholder କିଏ UK USA France Russia
USA.
USA SAARC is headquartered in which place SAARC South Asian Association
Kathmandu,
for Regional Cooperation
Kathmandu. Nepal. Kathmandu.
correct
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu Nepal and it was adopted SAARC
Kathmandu.
charter adopt ହେଇଥିଲା 8 December
Nepal.
1985 ରେ 8 December 1985 ରେ SAARC charter adopt ହେଇଥିଲା SAARC day ବି celebrate ହୁଏ ସେଇଦିନ next Headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is located in Manila, Tokyo,
Beijing.
Beijing, Shanghai. Correct.
Manila, Philippines.
And
Beijing. Beijing ରେ ଅଛି Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB. Next. Amman is the capital of which country?
Jordan.
Correct. Jordan. Astana is the capital of which country?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Correct. Kazakhstan. Vientiane is the capital of which country?
Laos.
Laos. Capital of Brazil is?
Brasilia.
Brasilia.
Correct.
Brasilia.
Capital of Burundi is?
Brasilia.
Correct. Capital of Burundi is? Options are Rutana, Murambia,
Bogota.
Bujumbura,
Bujumbura.
Kuma. Correct. Correct. Bujumbura.
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 କେତେ ବଢିଆ ନା କାହାର ନାଁ ଦବା କି କାହାର ନାଁର ଅଭାବ ଅଛି ଦବା ବୁଜୁମ୍ବୁରା ଡାକିବି ଡେଲି where is ବୁଜୁମ୍ବୁରା କହିବି Phnom Penh is the capital of which country?
କାଠମାଣ୍ଡୁ କାମ୍ବୋଡିଆ ବୋଧେ.
Cambodia. Correct. Cambodia. Oslo is the capital of which country?
Norway.
Norway.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Islamabad. Muscat is the capital of which country?
Oman.
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 Correct. Currency of Russia is what?
Ruble.
Ruble.
Correct. Ruble. Which is the Peruvian country? Peru ro country कौन? Options are Leb. Currency. Peru ro currency कौन? Leb, Som, Sol, Ala. कोटा उडे इस्लामाबाद एते लेट रे आसिला.
ସେଟା ବୋଧେ.
पेरू रो
First.
करेंसी कौन? लेब, सोल, सोम, ताला.
Tala.
सोल.
Som.
सोल.
Som.
सोल. SOL. पेरू रो करेंसी हला सोल. बुल्गेरिया रो करेंसी कौन? ऑप्शन हला रिंगिट, डिरहाम, डिनार, लेब.
ଇଙ୍ଗିତ କାହାର?
Lev.
लेब LEV.
Lev.
बुल्गेरिया रो करेंसी हला लेब. नेक्स्ट निम्नलिखित एटा तो एलिमिनेशन रे कहि दबो हला जहार टिके आइडिया थिवो वेस्ट अफ्रीकान CFA फ्रांक को कंट्री रो करेंसी नुहे वेस्ट अफ्रीकान CFA फ्रांक आइवरी कोस्ट लाइबेरिया नाइजर माली
Liberia.
Mali.
करेक्ट लाइबेरिया रो करेंसी नुहे वेस्ट अफ्रीका कहि देला से तो लाइबेरिया रो नुहे व्हिच इज द करेंसी ऑफ बुरुंडी दरकार नहीं हला जदि पढ़िला हेले फ्रांक हबो फ्रांक हाँ एटा इंपोर्टेंट व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ चिले डिनार फ्रांक पेसो लेब
ପେସୋ.
पेसो करेक्ट जे अर्जेंटीना जानी थिवो से कर दबो चिले व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ ताजिकिस्तान पेसो डॉलर सोमोनी रैंड
Somoni.
Somoni.
सोमोनी करेक्ट सोमोनी नेक्स्ट Which British India Act made Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India?
1773.
India କହିଲି
35.
ନା
35.
ନାଇଁ
33 sorry 33.
1833.
correct
33.
Charter Act of 1833 first president of Constituent Assembly was elected on a temporary basis in line with practice of which country को कंट्री को फॉलो करिकी करथिले फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली टेम्पोररी बेसिस रे फर्स्ट ब्रिटेन फ्रांस यूएसए ऑस्ट्रेलिया
USA.
France.
फ्रांस टोटल केतरा शेड्यूल्ड लैंग्वेज अछि
22.
22 Sindhi was added by which amendment act
21st.
21st Amendment.
year
1960.
1956.
91, 71, 71.
1967. 67.
67.
1967 amendment ଆଉ year କୁ ମିଶେଇ ଦେଇକି ଗୋଟେ year ବନେଇ ଦଉଛ ନାଇଁ। କୋଙ୍କଣୀ ମଣିପୁରୀ ନେପାଳୀ add ହେଇଥିଲା କୋଉ amendment act ରେ?
70,
92.
95.
71,
71 year
92,
92
19,
92 correct 71st amendment act 1992 bodo dogri maithili santali
এটা 92 amendment।
92.
92,
95.
2003 কি?
92nd amendment act
2003.
2003 correct a person will be deprived of citizenship if he is ordinarily resident out of India for how many years continuously?
7.
7 years correct
7 years.
correct
7 years.
7 years 7 years right to property was scrapped of its fundamental right status by which amendment act?
44th,
44 or
44
1978.
amendment got
44.
1978.
Correct. Fourth Amendment Act 1978. Originally, Part 4A of the Constitution had how many fundamental duties in its list?
10,
11.
10টা
11.
10. 10. Originally
10.
କହିଲି, originally 10.
10.
10 ଥିଲା, ପୁଣି
10.
11th add ହେଲା which amendment act ରେ?
10ଟା
4,
10ଟା ଥିଲା
86.
86.
86.
Correct.
86.
86th Amendment Act
44.
2002.
86
ଆରେ
86
କୋଉଟା
2002
କୋଉଟା କାହାକୁ ଶୁଭୁଛି 44th କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କାହାର
1970.
ଆନ୍ସର କହିଲେ ହେଇ ଦେଖୁଛ ଆରେ ଏତେ ଲେଟ୍ ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା ଆରେ ଏତେ ଲେଟ୍ରେ କୁହନି ପିଲା ଭାବିବେ ସେଇଟା ଆନ୍ସର
ତାଙ୍କ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିବ।
ଏତେ ଲେଟ୍ ଶୁଭୁଛି
10.
ହେଇ 10
10.
ବି ଆସିଲାଣି ହଉ ହଉ କହିସାର
6th Amendment 2002.
ଆଉ ଅଛି କି କୋଉଟା
ଟିକେ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତାଙ୍କର ଥିବ।
ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି ଯେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେ ଜାଣି ପକେଇଲେ କେମିତି ମ୍ୟୁଟ କରିଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ ମନା କରିଦେଲି।
ଓ ତମେ ମନା କରିଦେଲ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି କେମିତି ଶୁଭିଗଲା ଲେଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ ରେ ହଉ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ which of the following constitutional institution represents Indian federalism? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, High Court, Supreme Court.
ଲୋକସଭା
ଲୋକସଭା ଲୋକସଭା
Supreme Court.
Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha represents the states of Indian Federation, while Lok Sabha represents the people of India as a whole.
ରାଜ୍ୟ
President cannot exercise his veto power over which of the following bills? Constitutional Amendment Bill,
ମନି ବିଲ୍
bill, State Bill,
ମନି
Ordinary Bill.
ବିଲ୍ ମନି ବିଲ୍
Veto power
Ordinary bill.
Constitutional Amendment Bill.
Constitution.
ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ସେ obligatory assent ଦେବେ ହେଲା assent
ବିଲ୍
ଦେବେ ହେଲା ଆଉ
ମନି ବିଲ୍
ହେଲା ତ veto power
Bill.
ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର constitutional amendment bill ରେ what is the fixed tenure provided under constitution for the office of director of CBI 1 year 2 year 4 years 5 years
2 years
2 years correct 2 years 2 years is
Well,
tenure for office of director of
2
CBI correct
year 2 year
2 years. Which article is related to national emergency? 360, 368, 352, 356.
360.
360.
360.
352, national emergency. 352.
352.
352
Financial 360.
Correct. Article 352.
352.
ହଁ ହଁ 352. ଏ ରୁହରେ କେତେ ଜଣ କହିବ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ State list provided under 7th schedule is not applicable to which state among the following? जो state list अच्छी 7th schedule रे कोउ state को applicable नहीं है आसाम त्रिपुरा नागालैंड जम्मू कश्मीर
Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir.
correct
ଜାମ୍ମୁ କାଶ୍ମୀର
Jammu Kashmir correct next to be recognized as a leader of opposition party in parliament what percentage of total strength of house should a party win बाटी केते परसेंट स्ट्रेंथ रो केते
10%.
परसेंट 10% करेक्ट
10%.
10%. A seat of member of House of Parliament can be declared vacant if the member remains absent for a period of how many days? 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days.
60
No,
days. 60 days.
90
60 days. 60 days. A house can declare the seat of a member vacant if he is absent from all its meetings for a period of 60 days without its permission. To be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court, he or she should have held the office of judge of High Court for a period of how many years?
10 years.
10
10
years.
years, 10 years.
5 years. 5 years.
5 years, sir. 5 years.
Advocate for 10 years ହେଇଥିବା କଥା.
Yes, sir.
Judge କହିଛି ତ 5 years. Which jurisdiction is especially enjoyed by Supreme Court but not by High Court? Original jurisdiction, writ jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction, criminal appellate jurisdiction.
Advisory jurisdiction.
Advisory.
Advisory.
Advisory jurisdiction.
Correct. President will seek the opinion of Supreme Court जोटा कि कुए आर्टिकल 143 सेटा हला advisory jurisdiction. Who appoints the Advocate General of a state? Governor, President,
Governor.
President.
Governor.
Governor, sorry, governor.
Governor, correct. Which institution acts as ombudsman system in Indian administrative setup? Lokpal, Panchayat, CBI, Niti Aayog.
CBI. Lokpal. Sorry, Lokpal.
Lokpal.
Lokpal, correct.
Panchayat.
Lokpal. Ombudsman କହିଥିଲା. Which subject once in state list was transferred to concurrent list by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. କହିଥିଲି ଥରେ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଥିଲା ଅପସନ ହେଲା ପବ୍ଲିକ ହେଲ୍ଥ ପୋଲିସ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର
Education.
Education.
एजुकेशन करेक्ट तो पांचटा जोटा सब्जेक्ट ट्रांसफर ହେଇଥିଲା स्टेट ରୁ concurrent କୁ ସେଗୁଡା ହେଲେ एजुकेशन फॉरेस्ट weights and measures
Weight and measurement.
protection of wild animals and birds administration of justice ଏସବୁ ଅଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ concurrent ରେ which of the following union territory is not a part of any zonal council of India? Which union territory? Andaman Nicobar Islands, Puducherry, Daman and Diu, Delhi.
Daman and
Delhi.
Delhi.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Duita union territory, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, are not members of any of the zonal councils. Who among the following does not take part in election to office of president but have voting rights in removal of president? Options are members of legislative assembly, members of legislative council, nominated members of parliament, elected members of parliament.
Nominated members of
Nominated
Parliament.
Correct. Nominated members of parliament. In which year voting age was brought down to 18 years from 21 years?
61st Amendment Act
61st 1989.
1989.
61st Amendment Act.
ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ଏଠି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି କେବେ ଏଜ୍ଟା କମିଲା 18 years from 21 years
1988.
ହେଲା
1989.
First Amendment Act.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି କୋଉ ମସିହାରେ ବ୍ରଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ହେଲା ଅପସନ୍ ହେଲା
1961.
ଅପସନ୍ ହେଲା 1987 1988 1989
1988.
1990
1988.
88.
କେମିତି ହବ?
କରେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା 1989 ହେଲା 1989
89 ତ ହବ।
ଆମେ ତ କହୁଥିଲେ 89 ମୂଳରୁ।
ଶୁଣ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟ ହେଲା 61st ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟ 1988 ହେଲା ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା 1989 ରେ ପଚାରିଛି କ'ଣ ସେଟା ଦେଖିବାର ଅଛି जदि अमेंडमेंट एक्ट पचारिबो तो 61st अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1988 हबो किंतु रिड्यूस हला 1989 रे व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज एनश्राइंड इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
11.
11 करेक्ट
11.
नेक्स्ट which parliamentary terminology refers to termination of a sitting for an indefinite period options hela summoning prorogation dissolution adjournment sine die
Adjournment sine die.
Adjournment.
correct adjournment sine die means terminating a sitting of parliament for an indefinite period. What is the maximum age limit for chairman of National Human Rights Commission?
No limit.
67.
70 NHRC ର ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାଳ 5 years or until they 5 years ତ ଥିଲା but ପରେ ହେଇଗଲା 3 ବର୍ଷ 3 years or till the age of 70 years ଯୋଉଟା earlier. Disputes related to election of office of vice president is dealt by which authority? Supreme Court, High Court, President, Parliament.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Court, correct. Part 2 of the Constitution deals with which provision? Fundamental duty.
Citizenship.
Citizenship.
Correct, citizenship. Next. MS Excel worksheet रे sheet tab ର location कोठी थाए top of the worksheet bottom of the worksheet left most column of the worksheet right most column of the worksheet
Leftmost column.
sheet tab
Topmost.
sheet tab
Topmost.
bottom of
Tab
the
ରେ
worksheet bottom of the worksheet रे थाए जोउथरे कि ना भी शो करे displays the
Home
name
tab.
of the worksheet. In MS Excel, which shortcut method is used to select the entire column of an active cell? Alt plus
Control plus
Control plus A.
options are Alt
No, no.
plus space bar,
Control
Windows
space.
plus space bar,
Control space.
Control plus space bar, correct. Control plus
Control plus spacebar.
next. निम्नलिखित ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ tab key use ହେଇପାରିବ? Indent a line of text or paragraph of text, switching between all selectable elements on a web page, pressing Windows key along with tab shows available open programs in MS Windows, all of these.
All of this.
All of this.
Fast sir.
ସବୁ ଯାକରେ tab key use ହେଇପାରିବ.
ବୁଝାକ ପାଇଁ.
Which is not a part of MS Office? Publisher, Access, Groove, Evernote.
Access.
କୋଉଟା MS Office ର part ନୁହେଁ?
So Evernote.
Evernote ନୁହେଁ, correct. MS Access ଅଛି, Word ଅଛି, Excel ଅଛି, PowerPoint ଅଛି, OneNote ଅଛି, Evernote ନ ଥାଇ କି OneNote ଅଛି, Groove ଅଛି, Publisher ଅଛି, InfoPath ବି ଅଛି. Next. Which is not a computer hardware? Monitor, keyboard, computer program, mouse.
Computer program.
Computer program. Correct. Correct. MICR कोड लाइन स्ट्रक्चर रे फास्ट 3टा डिजिट जो फील्ड नंबर जो 9 डिजिट रो शॉर्ट फील्ड नंबर थाए सेथरे फास्ट 3टा डिजिट कोन दर्शाए? बैंक, ब्रांच, कंट्री, सिटी.
Branch.
9
Country.
डिजिट न्यूमेरिक
Bank.
कोड थाए.
Country.
Bank na branch.
9 डिजिट न्यूमेरिक कोड थाए जोथरे फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स सिटी को दर्शाए. ହେଲା सिटी कोड थाए तो से सिटी कोडटा जोटा सिटी को दर्शाए. लास्ट 3टा डिजिटटा ब्रांच कोड को दर्शाए. In which of the following print option can be selected in a document?